Hi everyone, let's take a look at Creo's brand new engine filter feature in this video. The aim of this filter is to reflect any manipulations performed within a 3D model by filtering the breakdown table to the relevant element or group of elements. For instance, shrinking the model to an appropriate side or level, selecting or isolating a single element, and so on. Let's imagine that we need to divide a building into 3 blocks and extract quantities separately for each block. Creo allows us to do this easily using the Clipbox option of the engine filter. But first, let's prepare a report that will be filled in with the relevant blocks later. All we need to do is create a new report, add several groups after the first one, as well as another inside each of these. We can rename the cells however is convenient for us. As soon as the report's structure is ready, we're able to fill it in. First, we need to filter out the model by its load-bearing function, which is structure in our case. Now go to Creo's toolbar and select the Clipbox option, which allows us to diminish the model to the relevant side or level. Click on the relevant corner or edge and you'll be able to change the size. So we've shrunk the model to block A, and now we need to apply the Clipbox. Click on the white Clipbox icon and take a look at the breakdown table. You'll see that your breakdown has been filtered down to the elements selected by the Clipbox. The last thing to do with this block is to drag and drop it to the previously prepared report. Let's repeat the same actions with block B, but don't forget to reset all the filters for the beginning. We need to check which elements are already included in the report. Creo has developed a separate filter for this purpose. Open the filters list and click on Report Filters, selecting one of these for the unused elements. Now we don't see block A on the 3D view as it's already included in the report. Using the same principle, first we're switching on the Clipbox option, then shrinking the model to block B, and finally clicking on the Apply Clipbox option. The breakdown table is filtered out to block B, which means we're ready to drag and drop these elements to the relevant group in the report table. Note that if the element is even partially selected by Clipbox, it will be completely included in the breakdown table's filtering list and its quantities won't be recalculated. Now it just remains to add the last block to the report, which is C. Let's use an alternative variant to the earlier Clipbox option. Again, we can apply the report filter to check for the unused elements in the selected report. Multi-select all elements using a combination of left-click and control button. Choose the Ghost option on Creo's toolbar, and select the remaining elements in the breakdown table to drag and drop them to the report. The report with the model's division by block is ready. So Creo's powerful filtering tools and selecting mechanisms have allowed you to quickly find the relevant elements and easily get the final report. Thanks for watching and enjoy your work with Creo.